Hey everybody, Tim from Workshop 12 here. Today we are finally in the shop getting the G35 coupe scan. We've got some construction going on here, so for most of this video I'll be doing some voiceover, but we're well into the process now of being able to get the vehicle scanned. We've got the target stickers in there, and we'll cut to some of the different B-reel in here and give you some descriptions of what's all going on. Again, I'll do that all in a voiceover.
So the first step is getting target stickers all over the dash. We want to scan in the surface of the dashboard to see how everything all fits together when factory plastics are in place. So all these target stickers give it a space in 3D that we can read in and progressively pass the laser over the surface to read that all into the computer. All this data is then recorded into 3D space, which we can then use as guides and references to be able to make sure that the plastic fits perfect.
Okay, so we have the center console area out, put the bolsters back in on the side to kind of give us an area inside that we're going to see how much space we have. I took a couple photos. It looks like the 2019 Tab A 10.1 inch is as large as we're going to be able to fit into that location. But that's cool. It's the same tablet that we're supporting across our other kits. So then it's just going to come down to the depth and everything that we're going to need to deal with the curvature of the dash here and how far we need to sink that back in so that it's not popping out and looking all goofy. So next step now is getting some target stickers on the inside of the dashboard and then scanning it as well. So we've got the whole interior surface and all of the different mounting points that we're going to need.
So here you can see that we've put stickers all into the back cavity area. That allows us to be able to figure out what kind of depth we have, what kind of mounting points, and anything that we were able to secure the plastics. At the same point, we want to scan all the plastics that we took out, all the different pieces to see where their mounting points are. We see here we have an extra climate control, and we're also scanning in the earlier model single piece plastic to see if there's anything possible that we might be able to reuse to be able to port some of our designs back to earlier models. We're not quite sure if this is going to work or how much cutting or trimming you'll need to do in the plastics, but it's a concept that we're taking a look at.
And that does it. So that pretty much has all of the scanning done for us. We just need to put things back together in the vehicle, and that should give us now a really good base and foundation to start looking at being able to do the 3D design that's going to fit into the space. Really looks like that 10.1 inch Galaxy Tab A, the 2019 version, should fit really well inside of that dashboard. All we'll have to deal with is what's the depth and where do we need to set that back in there because of the curvature of the dash. But that gives us the base data that we need, and now we can kind of get rocking on to the next phase. So thanks a lot for joining, and we'll see you in the next video.